Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the first match in round 3 and the scores are Jago High on 30, Charlemont High on 15. Let's get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which son of Joash was a judge of Israel? Jago.
Gideon.
Gideon.
Correct. Biology, what are the tiniest blood vessels through Charlemont?
Veins.
Incorrect. Through which blood cells pass? Called, and that would be capillaries. English language, what part of speech is the word how in this sentence? How did you break your arm? Adverb. International affairs, look at the clip, identify this point. Jago.
Amanda Gorman.
Correct. Chemistry, what is the formula for hydrogen peroxide? Jago.
H2O2. H2O2.
Correct. Music, listen to the clip, identify the singer. Jago.
Etana.
Correct. General knowledge, from what country did Botswana gain independence in 1966? From the United Kingdom, England. Spanish, translate this sentence to English. María escribe los planes para el viernes en el diario. Charlemont.
Maria writes her plans for summer in her diary.
No, Maria or Mary writes the plans for Friday in the diary. And geography, which ocean is bound by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east? Jago.
Indian Ocean.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual question. Look at the clip. Identify the actress. Jago.
Cicely Tyson.
Correct. Information technology. When starting Microsoft Word, what is the name of the default document window? Document 1. History. On March 2, 1917, U.S. President Woodrow Wilson signed the Jones-Shafroth Act, which gave U.S. citizenship to the people. Jago.
Puerto Rico.
Yes, of which country? Mathematics. What is the value of sine squared x plus cosine squared x? Jago.
1.
Correct. Physics. A brick is dropped from top of a building. If it hits ground after 6 seconds, then what is the height of the building, assuming g equals 10 meters per second squared?
36
Jago.
180 meters.
Correct. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this professional footballer. Charlemont.
Anton Guzman.
That's correct. Jamaican heritage. Give a Jamaican proverb with the word jackass, which means don't criticize others in their presence. Jago.
When you go to Jackass yard,
When you go to Jackass, you have the chat boy big is.
Yes. And French. What is the English translation for ma mère est malade? Jago.
My mother is
Sick.
My mother is sick.
Correct. Literature. Give the title of the 2021 U.S. presidential inauguration poem. Jago.
The hills we climb.
That should be The Hill We Climb. Art. Which Dutch post-impressionist artist painted the 19th century work, The Potato Eaters? Charlemont.
Vincent van Gogh.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Asenath was married to which of Jacob's Jago?
Joseph.
Correct. 12 sons. Biology. What is the name of the first cervical vertebrae in the body? Atlas. English language. Give a 9-letter noun starting with S, which means a substitute, especially a person deputizing. Jago.
Surrogate.
Correct. Local affairs. Who is that is the bell? That's it. That's the end of the final challenge, the end of our match. See the scores? The scores are Jago High on 54, Charlemont High on 15. We're going to double check those scores, and we'll return with the final results right after these messages.